What happens when you give a college student a 24/7 working space, a tight-knit community of student entrepreneurs, opportunities for undiluted funding, and over a decade of support from a strong alumni network? What happens when you empower college students with the space, the drive, the inspiration, and the freedom to build, to create meaningful change that extends beyond the classroom setting? You don't just spark ideas, you ignite innovation, you cultivate leaders, you transform potential into real-world impact.
Welcome to Startup Show, where we turn ideas into realities. It all started with one email, what if? A small idea grew into a big dream. Beginning in the storage closet, we knocked down walls, literally, until we landed here, a co-working space filled with innovation. For 12 years, we've empowered UMD students to pursue bold ideas fearlessly.
Invest in the future of big ideas.
Help us support Startup Show by donating today.